In this video series, we'll be installing ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK and a variety of cladding attachment systems. In this specific video, we'll feature ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK installed with the Engineered Assemblies TClip. The Engineered Assemblies TClip cladding attachment system is comprised of clips, fasteners, and girts, and is designed to reduce thermal bridging through exterior insulation and can be installed to support vertical or horizontal girts. Step 1. Measure spacing. The first step when installing any cladding attachment system is to measure and mark out the attachment spacing to make sure you fasten to the steel stud structure. Step 2. Attach the clips.
As you can see with the clips, they are designed with two attachments at the top and one at the bottom. Be careful that you get both of them into the stud.
Ensure that the clips are plumb and properly spaced as you continue to install fasteners in the remaining brackets. Step 3. Install metal girts.
In order to satisfy 4-inch insulation, the installation guide indicates you need approximately 20 millimeters off the back. I'm using a 3/4 inch piece of wood to provide the appropriate spacing forward.
Ensure that the brackets are plumb and properly spaced as you continue to install the fasteners in the remaining bracket.
I'm just marking the center of the clip. I use a spacer to establish my 4 inches. I'm going to set this on top. I use a spacer to establish my 4 inches. I also have to mark my center of clip, my 10 millimeters off. Those are my attachment points for these fasteners for the design guide.
Step 4. Install your temporary insulation retention fasteners to the wall at regular intervals. This is done prior to installing the permanent mechanical insulation attachments. Step 5. Install the ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK insulation.
So I set up a reveal line. I'm going to put a relief cut in the insulation. That's going to sleeve around the fin. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put a relief cut through the middle.
Push and turn the insulation to create a friction fit. Ensure that each board fits snug around the cladding attachments and between the girts. It is important that there are no voids or gaps in the insulation in order to maintain thermal barrier continuity.
This is for an open joint panel system where the panel boards would lap on each flange here and leave an open joint on the upside down halves.
You are now ready to install your mechanical insulation attachments and proceed with the cladding.